Hey, it's Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're standing inside the Model I, here to show you our brand new dinette configuration. So first thing when you're looking at our new dinette setup here, you're gonna see the fireplace down below. We listened to a lot of your guys' comments and feedback across our initial launch of Model I, and these are the changes that we were hearing from you all. So we've included the electric fireplace below. It's got an integrated timer, will blow electric heat, and then you can also even change the colors of the fireplace, which is pretty cool. You've got two storage drawers up above. You've got a utensil drawer built into the table, and then you've got this long table here. You'll notice that the legs aren't going to be sticking out. It's all built into this cabinetry here, giving you more floor space to actually enjoy your trailer. Now the dinette is super simple. You've got little hand grooves in here. You just pull up and out. Here you can see the dinette fully extended out. It's crazy how much table space you get for how compact this gets. It is built for 2 people, but you can seat up to 4 seats here. We do provide 2 folding cushioned chairs with the unit, but you can bring in your own chairs, fit 1 chair here, 1 there, and then 2 on the end, and you've got 4-person dinette.